The standard A8 comes loaded with features: climate control, 18-inch alloy wheels, heated and electric leather seats, sat-nav, Bluetooth and Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto smartphone mirroring are only the beginning. The full list is much longer. Bearing in mind how people use these cars, we'd opt for long wheelbase version, which as well as extra rear space adds heated rear seats, a 5.7-inch tablet-style remote control, 4-zone climate control, rear USB ports, and electric rear sunblinds. The 3.0-liter V6 diesel has 282 bhp. It's a brilliant engine in the A8, with 443 foot-pounds of torque available from low in the rev range. Performance is remarkably brisk and overtakes largely effortless, while it also manages to return decent fuel economy. Paired to a slick 8-speed automatic gearbox, it proves to be both smooth and whisper quiet also.